Today we're going to be talking about the round downpipe diverter. So it's a nice product which you can use to collect rainwater. It pulls water off one downpipe or downspout. So if you've got a rain barrel or IBC or other sort of storage vessel, it's a really nice way to pull most of the water off that out of that pipe and store it to the side. Or even if you want, you can even put on, say, hose fitting, or you can run this barb fitting, and you can run hose directly to your pool for pool top-ups. So it then just boosts the amount that your pool gets topped up at the time of rainfall. So the way it works is pretty simple. It's a nice glueless installation. I'll take it out to show you. On the inside, we've got this nice little capture device inside here, this reservoir. So when it rains, all the water typically sticks around the outside of the pipe. So water falls into that zone and then it comes out of that spout. There's a nice little strainer there, so that just stops any leaves going through the system. So you don't necessarily need a rain head up above, although if you do have a lot of leaves, we would probably recommend that you put a finer screened mesh rain head higher up in the system. The top part of the housing has got this little device inside, which we call the rainwater, the flow diverter. So if there's water coming in to the center of the pipe, all that does is when the water hits it, it'll push it out to the outside, and then it just makes sure that you capture as much as possible. It comes with two fittings. One of them is this 1 1/4 inch barb fitting, and it can capture about 1,200 litres an hour, which is about 300 gallons an hour. So you can see it here, you can see how the water's sticking to the pipe and flowing through the barb fitting. And then if I take this off, we've actually got this 12mm fitting as well, which is used for like a 12mm click-on hose fitting. So you can click your hose up onto there. You can also get a great amount of rainwater out of there. It's probably about 600 litres per hour, which is about 150 gallons per hour, which, considering the size of this unit, you're going to capture a lot of rainfall, even out of that smaller fitting. So you can see here, the water flowing through. You can see there's an ample amount of water flowing out of that nozzle, and it's really going to fill your barrel or your storage device really quickly. The other nice thing about the unit, it's got this on-off switch. So while you would typically have it on to allow water to flow through, you can also turn it off. So if your rain barrel is full, or if it's winter, for example, and if you don't want to collect any water in your barrel, just turn it off for the winter season, and then you can turn it on when you're ready to go again. And that's all there is to it. So easy to install, super compact, looks pretty neat on the downpipe. It's not sort of sticking out too much, but that's the round downpipe diverter. If you want a bit more information, just jump onto the website and you'll find what you need there. Thanks for watching.